Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. Today we're going to paint a New Year subject and let's get started. Today we're going to paint some white stuffs and olive leaves. In traditional Chinese painting, we seldom use white color pigments, so I simply use ink to paint the outline of the dove. To get the nice shades of gray, take very little ink and tilt your brush to paint. This is a flying dove and I want both of the wings to be up. For the curvy neck and chest, I tilted my brush a bit more to have a broader stroke. You have to keep adjusting the tip of your brush to get different stroke effects. In fact, I'm using the same brush for the entire painting. This brush has been used for over 3 years since I started the channel, and I'm also using the same brush for different colors. For the red beak and the feet, I'm using orange color to mix with a little bit of red to get this shade. For the olive branches and leaves, I'm mixing some yellow color with the blue, the indigo color to get the green shades. You can control the shades of green by mixing more yellow or blue, or adding a little bit of ink if you want it to be a bit darker. The olive color is a bit more complicated. I'm using all 4 colors and ink. Take some yellow first and mix with the indigo blue to get the green as a base. And then I'm gonna add some orange color and then red. The last color that I'm gonna add is a little bit of ink. You have to be a bit more careful when you're adding ink to this mix because if you take too much, then it may be too strong. This is the shade that I want. You may paint the olive with just green, but I prefer to have some contrast, so I'm improvising these shades of color. Because I'm mixing new color each time when my brush runs out of color, each olive will have a unique shades. For the leaves, I'm mixing the yellow with the blue to get the green, and then add a little bit of orange color at the tip to paint. Now I'm adding some red dots to give this painting a bit more details and make it more interesting. White stuff with olive branch have long been a symbol of peace, hope, and love. That's what we need for the new year. Let's be kind to each other and all the living things. I wish you all a wonderful year of 2024. Stay healthy and happy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.